Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable intelligent voice service on your XPeng car. So I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now, if you guys want to enable your intelligent voice service, what you guys want to do is go over into the vehicle icon and then go to voice assistant. Here we have the all new voice-based conversational AI service, and it will deliver our voice instructions. So here we can easily just use it. The best way to do that is also enable the Hey XPeng option. So this is basically better because you don't have to use the voice assistant. You don't need the button. As you guys can see, we're gonna enable it, and now, Hey XPeng. Hey XPeng.
Hi.
How do I fold my side mirrors?
The rear view mirrors are folded.
As you guys can see, now I did not even have to ask where can I find it. It just did that for me. So now I can just say that I want my mirrors unfolded.
The rear view mirror is being unfolded.
As you guys can see, it works amazingly well. Now what you guys can do is say, for example, thank you, bye. And now it did not react, but normally he would just say bye and he will disable. So that's how you guys can set up your intelligent voice in your XPeng. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.